Hello everyone, it's Ben at TV Parts today. Back behind me, we have a TCL 43S425. We're gonna be taking the boards out of this unit, quick and easy. If you have any questions, give us a call at 1-800-203-7484. You can order parts there, you can ask us any questions, pick our brains, and let's get right into it. This is the back of the unit. We are going to be needing to get all of these screws along this raised piece off of here. We're not going to have to worry so much about these screws along the bezel. We'll leave those in place. The only thing to take note of with the screws being removed are these four that are back and recessed down near the screen. So we're gonna have to get those four out as well as all of these. And then as we lift this plate away, there are going to be some connections to the main board that are actually affixed to this back plate. So we are gonna need to be careful. And I'll show you what we mean when we get there. But let's get these screws out first. Our screws are out of this back plate. We're gonna lift it away. And you will see what I'm talking about right here, here, and here. We're gonna get these connections removed and we're just gonna use our thumbnail, pop those out, thumbnail to push down on the lever, pull straight out, thumbnail, pull straight out. Now we're gonna set this off to the side and get started on these two boards. The first board that we are gonna be removing is the main board. We did take these connections out already as they were affixed to the back plate. So we just have these three ribbon cable connections and this connection to the power supply board. For the ribbon cable connections, we're gonna get our finger underneath the flap, pop it up. We should just be able to very gently take those out. Same with these two. Now this guy right here, we're gonna take our thumbnail, push down to release the clasp, and then just should be able to walk that right out of there. So now we have a few screws to take out, and this should come up and away from the chassis. After that, we should just be able to lift this up and away. And this plastic piece, you can just use your thumbnail, pop these clips out, and if you're gonna be replacing this main board, you can just put this right back onto the replacement main board that you're gonna be putting into this unit. The only other board in this unit is going to be the power supply board. Now we've got a clip here and a clip here that we need to get out before we can remove these four screws. I'm just gonna get our thumbnail on this clip, push down to unclasp it, pull it right away from the board. This one is actually, the clip is underneath this wiring here. I'm not sure if you're gonna be able to get a very good angle on this, but we're just depressing the clasp, the clip, in the same way that we did on the other one, and then pulling straight up and away from the power supply board. Now we get the four screws and the board should come away from the chassis. That should just come right out. And that's the power supply board. All right, that's gonna do it for this TCL unit. Pretty simple stuff here today. If you leave a comment down below, we'll try to get to your question. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the YouTube channel. If you do subscribe, you'll qualify for 20% off your first order through TV Parts Today, and we will see you next time.
Thank you for watching another TV Parts Today repair video. If you have a question regarding your TV repair, post a comment and we will try to help. And don't forget, you can help us and stay up to date by subscribing, liking, and sharing our content. Also, check us out on Facebook for exclusive promo codes.